They were like golden nuggets to that boy.
Golden nuggets. How much toilet paper do we need? Hey guys, this is Chris with Half Chrome. As you saw, a package was delivered, but I'm actually not allowed to tell you on YouTube, today at least, what that package was. I am able to publish an unlisted video on YouTube and put that up on our website. So if you want to actually see our video about what we got and a lot of information about that thing that we got, please check us out at halfchrome.com. This is not a shameless ploy to get you to our website. It's really the only way we can get you the information today. I will be able to release the rest of our videos in a few days from now. I've got some awesome information on the website as well, some huge tables comparing what came in the box to a bunch of other very similar related products. Really good comprehensive tables. Good review material as well. Go check that out, halfchrome.com. The link is up there. The link is down there in the description. You'll see what I'm talking about. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We'll see you next time.